Let's learn how to apply optimizations to your agents. An optimization is an AI-generated recommendation to fix a specific issue in your agent. To generate optimizations, we start on the Issues and Optimizations screen, select one or more issues, and click Start Optimization. The generated optimizations display on the Optimization screen. Note that multiple issues can point to the same root cause, so a single optimization may address more than one issue at once. Here we see two contributing issues for the selected optimization. Equally, a single issue can sometimes require more than one optimization to fully resolve. To apply an optimization, we follow the steps shown in the recommendation. Each one walks us through exactly what needs to change in the agent configuration. When we apply an optimization that changes the agent's instructions, a new version of the agent is automatically created. When we apply changes to a tool description, no new version is created. Before applying, we recommend keeping a copy of the original description. If we don't agree with a specific recommendation or it isn't relevant, we dismiss it by clicking Cancel in the modal. We stay in control of what gets applied. Once we're done, we click Continue to Reevaluation and the optimization summary opens. Here we can see which issues were addressed and confirm the changes look correct before reevaluation. By selecting issues, generating optimizations, applying them, and then reviewing and reevaluating, we get closer to production ready with each evaluation cycle.